With more and more colleges looking beyond academics for enrollment, we reached out to some of India's brightest students to understand how it affected their college admissions.
Well, I wish it were that easy, but no, it's a milestone moment in any kid's life. But you can't have that moment just handed to you like that, right? You have to work hard for it. And one thing was that I had already made up my mind that I wanted to pursue designing, irrespective of my class 12 score.
Yeah, I think that's a misconception that a lot of people have, especially today. Because I mean, sure, I did get really good grades in my 10th grade examination, and I did pretty decently for my 12th grade examination. But I don't think colleges look for just your grades anymore at this point. I think they want to understand you as a person, what you can bring to the table, and that can't be gauged through just academics. Top colleges across the country today really just look at your academic scores as more of an elimination criteria. So what they're really trying to look through your to this academically like awesome crowd is just this unique profile, right? So you, through your essay, what they're really trying to gauge is whether your ambition and whether your interest towards, whether you've really demonstrated interest towards the field that you're applying for.
Basically, it's what you bring to the table, what unique abilities that you have, or unique capabilities that you have that you are trying to get into the university, and what change you can bring over there. So that is what matters. So now, why does NIFT have a 20% acceptance rate? So it is because only 2 out of 10 students who scored above the cutoff in the entrance test were able to actually demonstrate, that their candidature brought something to the table that NIFT thought was worth considering. So every college has its own litmus test, but in most cases, the interviews are the deciders. But you can't prepare anything for the interview because the admission board will ask you everything apart from your academics.
See, ultimately, they just want to get to know you, right? Who you are beyond the papers in your folder, whether you're genuinely interested in the course that you're applying for, and what really differentiates you from among the 40,000 others that are competing for the same seat.
Well, that's the point. Everyone in my college batch focused on academics, yes, but they also gave equal importance to relevant extracurriculars, and they built out a beyond academic profile for themselves.
So I was fortunate enough to understand this well myself, partly because my dad was in the education industry himself, doing a lot of these extracurricular activities ultimately take up a lot of money and time. So so then it becomes really imperative for you to choose those activities that really kind of bring out your uniqueness, as well as, of course, the idea is also to have fun, right? So it needs to be something that you love to do also. The thing is, right, in India, even if you're one in a million, right, there's like 1 lakh people that's just like you.
So, yes, it is a lot of work, but it's important to understand that this is the new normal. You have to build a beyond academic profile to stand out. And this thing is here to stay. And, anyways, it is also a great net practice for job and internship interviews in the future. Well, a beyond academic profile is sorely needed in today's day and age for college admissions. Academic scores provide only 50% of the student's intellectual capacity, and you need the other 50%. But that's the point. Like, just having just a purely academic profile is not really testing your other capabilities and other interests that you have. So it is important to have a beyond academic profile as well.
You can't hinge a decision like this on a what if, right? You are going to college. Your application needs to be more than just your marks. It needs to be a reflection of everything that you've achieved so far, right? You are more than just your marks. I really just hope that everybody remembers that.